Creating a brand kit in Pictory just got a whole lot easier. You can now generate a brand kit automatically from just using a website URL. Here's how it works. In your Pictory dashboard, head over to the brand kit section. Click on Create a New Brand and simply paste in your website URL. Pictory then automatically scans your website and extracts key branding elements to build your new brand kit, including your brand logo and primary colour palette. You can edit and make any changes if needed. Then you can go ahead and add things to your brand kit like brand fonts, background music, or even an avatar that suits your brand. You can make further edits to your logo sizing and subtitles over here in the Brand Designer. In just a few clicks, you'll have a ready-to-use brand kit that keeps your videos consistent and on brand across every project. This makes it even faster to create professional videos with your company's branding already built in. And that's how to create a brand kit from a website URL using Pictory.